Have you ever noticed how some people celebrate their birthday like it's a whole festival, while for others it's just another ordinary day? Behind this difference lies deep psychology. Some people grow up feeling their birthday isn't worth celebrating because of forgotten wishes, empty parties, or repeated disappointments, which creates learned helplessness. They stop expecting anything. Then there are those who live in such a fast-paced, overloaded life that special days get lost in work, deadlines, and stress, a state psychologists call time blindness. And finally, some people simply don't feel the need to celebrate because of emotional maturity. Their happiness doesn't depend on attention, gifts, or external validation. They know their worth without a special date to remind them. People who treat their birthday like a normal day usually approach life the same way. They don't chase spotlight or validation. They find happiness within. It doesn't mean they never feel lonely, but they've learned that every day can be special if you choose to make it special. So whether you celebrate big or treat your birthday casually, both say something about your inner world, your past, your priorities, or your peace. The real question is, do you need a special day to feel special,